something very satisfying about making it by hand. You're pulling it and you can see all the way through the batch that, you know what, I made this. And it's exciting to see that rather than just pushing a button and walking away from it. You're following that batch all the way through, and that's a part of where the integrity comes from, because you're knowing, okay, at the end of the day, this was something I created. It's just really fulfilling for me. It's a fog of cornstarch and powdered sugar. My name is Cami Stucker. I'm from Hammond's Candies. So when people meet me, they either call me Cami Candy or Willy Wonka or the First Lady of Candy. I've been here since 2004, and I was the first female candy maker we ever had here. So I'm really proud of that. I had no idea this was going to be my career. I think about being a kid, and I think about little things that I was interested in, and it had to do with candy or whatever, and seeing how things were made, I always thought was really cool. It's like a Harry Potter wand of art candy. And now I'm kind of in the middle of it. So to me, it's kind of like a wish come true, even though I never made that wish. It's like, oh, this is where I'm supposed to be. It's still so much fun as it was the first day I walked in the door. Whew! This is exhausting, but still fun. Hammond started in 1920, and we're going on our 100th year anniversary. We make a lot of different items here. Our #1 sellers are gonna be candy canes, but we also do lollipops, ribbon candy, caramels, our Mitchell sweets. We're using the same recipes we did as in 1920. We're also the largest handmade manufacturer of candy in the country. We're also going to use the same equipment that we used back then. And we're also going to use the same manpower that we used in 1920. Maybe the people have changed through the years, but they've all been taught the same way. When you look at other places that make candy, it's mainly done by machines or a lot of equipment. We're using people to make our candy, and that is the most exciting thing. Not only do we make it by hand, but we package it by hand, we label it by hand. There's a lot of work that goes into this. The bright colors are definitely one of the magical sides of it, to see how much we can make those colors pop, and the fact that everything we make has a specific color pattern and striping based on the flavor. It's just really amazing to me what the possibilities are, and just seeing all those bright colors kind of gets your eye going, and it makes you want to eat all of it, unfortunately. Everything that we do to create this candy is just really magical and fun, and we're really proud of what we do here. I do eat a lot of candy. Good thing I'm tall. Something as simple as a piece of candy just makes somebody happy. It doesn't take a lot to see what we do and to taste it and just to hold it in your hand. To me, that's just so simplistic and fun, and it's real. Candy brings me back to when I was a kid, just going to my grandparents' house and seeing the bowl of candy and looking at all the colors and the flavors, thinking, wow, I wonder what this one is, I wonder what that one is. Just seeing that it was fun, it was part of growing up. People from generations ago are still talking about our candy and showing their kids and their grandkids, and that tradition is being passed down. Just to know that I'm a part of that now is still fun and memorable.